Hello everyone, here I am again. I think this scenario looks very familiar to those who often use Apify to scrape data in make.com. You run an actor, then you put a sleep module, and then you get your dataset items from the actor. In this video I will show you how you can do this much easier and much simpler. But first we're going to show this. So I will use the Fast YouTube channel scraper and I will scrape my own channel. So this is my channel, this is the JSON file that we will be using. So I copy this one and put it inside the Apify module. I open it. Delete the previous one and paste this one. Now, if I run this once, I will get an error message. How I solved this? I did find a way. I went to a website called JSON Formatter, and in here I pasted the JSON string that is needed, and if I click on make pretty and then copy this one and paste this one into this module, it looks much better. So this is how everyone tells you how to do it. So you run the actor. This can take a while, then you put a sleep module, because sometimes it happens that it jumps to the next module before a result has been delivered. So we're going to run this once. I've put my sleeper to 15 seconds. Should be more than enough, I hope. I think. Just be patient. Okay, here we have our results. And I have everything I need. All the titles, the view count of my channel. The first way to improve this is by going to the actor and by default, run synchronously is put on no. If we put this on yes, it will only start the next module if this module has delivered a result. So we click on OK and we can delete this module. And if we now run this, the actor is running. And normally only when the actor has finished and delivered a result, so his data set, it continues to the next module, so this one. And again, you see I received a result. But this is not the end. Let me tell you, there is a much easier way to do it. And how? Delete this module, delete this module, delete, not run, delete this module. Okay, instead of using the Apify integration, we're gonna use an HTTP request. So make a request. And what we need a URL and we need the get method, or the method is get by default. If we go to our Fast YouTube scraper or whatever Apify agent you are using, you see this, then you go to integrations. And here you choose use API endpoints. And here you have a list of API endpoints that you can use. And if you choose run actor synchronously and get dataset items, you have everything in one. So this runs the actor and waits for it to finish and blah 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 blah. You copy this endpoint and paste it inside the Apify or the HTTP module. So here we put the URL. It was a post method. And don't worry, I will change my API token as soon as I finish this video. There is no need for authentication or something, because the API key is already in the URL. The only thing we need to add is the body, so the request. This is raw. Content type, we take JSON. And then we enter again the JSON string. Now we paste it here and click on OK. And now if we run this, it's getting the results. And here we have the results. So exactly the same results as the previous method. But for me, this is much easier. You don't need a sleep module. You don't need to wait. You don't need 2 modules. So run the actor and get the dataset. This has everything in one. So for me, this is much easier and also the best way to run Apify agents inside make.com. So this was this video. If you did like it, give it a like and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.